Okay, so here's a top tip for you. Quite often people have purchased a SkyVac from us, in particular the SkyVac Industrial, and then called us up and saying that the SkyVac Industrial keeps cutting out. Now the problem they've had with that is because they've been trying to run their SkyVac off a generator. Unfortunately, the generator they've purchased is not powerful enough to power the SkyVac Industrial. So just because you've got a big generator doesn't mean it's got the right capacity to power the SkyVac. So what you need is a SkyVac generator. This particular one is suitable for the SkyVac Industrial. It's a 5 kVA with a 35 amp breaker. Now if you're going to go for a commercial SkyVac, you're going to need a 3.4 kVA generator. If you're going to go for an Atom, you're going to need a 2.7 kVA generator.